His party's changed.
There we go. So check this out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, behind the scenes. But listen, that doesn't matter. This is what matters, guys. You guys keep doing, it's like people are just, I don't know. It's like they don't want help. So listen, hey, go to my website. It's a pretty freaking awesome website, you know. All those little links right there, they get you some places. One of the best places that it gets you is right here. Oh my God. You get to become a local prepper. What kind of stuff are they doing? Oh, so many things. But here's the thing. The cool thing is the digital preparedness kit. Well, what's that, you say? Well, it's basically access to an entire library of stuff that you can download all by yourself. Oh, what do we got there? The digital preparedness kit. Oh, look, download this folder. What is that? That is the actual offline library. Whoa, it's full of all sorts of stuff, isn't it? That's right. It's all there just for you if you're a member, because membership has its privileges. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Link in the bio. Profile for the normal people. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Join us now.